Hi all, in this video I'll explain time inversion with the help of a simple example so that you can come to know what is exactly happening in the Tenet movie. So we'll understand with the help of this timeline in which as you can see we have 10 o'clock till 10:30 and there are two junctions 10:10 and 10:20. So I'll explain as we move on why I have marked this as a junction over this time period, and then uh, towards the end of the video you will understand that the way it has been picturized in the Tenet, that why we are seeing some confusing scene in the Tenet, what is exactly happening. So let me start with the linear point of view. From the point of view as like that you yourself is going towards here to here, there is a turnstile machine over here, okay, which inverts the time. Then you walk throughout here, and then there is another turnstile machine. So let me walk through you. You start at 10 o'clock, okay, you move towards this path at 10:10, then 10:20, 10:30, and then you go into turnstile machine. The time becomes reversed to you. That means after 5 minutes it would be 10:25 for you, okay, because at 10:30 you enter the machine. Now you are going backward. So say for example while going the backward, you are seeing the world around you as inverse, okay, the way you see in the movie there are scenes where the objects are moving backward because you are now inverted, okay. This yellow chalk is represented as an inverted timeline. So now you are inverted. Let's say you have a can in your hand, okay, this represents a can. Let's say you have a can at your hand while you are inverted. So from 10:30 till 10:20, for 10 minutes you have this in your hand. At exact 10:20 you crush it, okay, you crush this, so it becomes like a crush. So for 20 minutes it remains in your hand but in a crushed manner. Over here it was proper, okay. So you walk here till here, another 30-minute walk, okay, with 10 minutes of this with a proper can and then a crush can. I'll explain this how, why am I depicting this. Over here there is another turnstile machine in which you again reverse yourself, okay. What it means is now time is no more inverse to you, which means once you are again inverted you are normal again, okay. That's why it's a white line. So now time moves forward with you. You don't see things going inverted again. That is what had happened in the movie also. Many a times a person goes and again inverts itself, and that's why over here you won't require a mask, whereas in this line you would require mask, oxygen mask, because for this timeline it is reverse. So that's why there are scenes in which despite the characters are inverted but they don't require mask because they have inverted again with the help of another machine situated some other location, okay. So till now we have moved 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and then you again revert yourself. Now you're going forward again. Let's say at 10:10 you're again back to 10, right? So virtually you have time traveled because you went till 10:30, and then with some technology you again came to 10 o'clock. So now you are again at a 10 o'clock. Now once while you are walking, let's say you fell down at 10:10, okay, you fell down over here, just remember this, and then you walk towards uh, till 10:30. All right, so there are certain events which we should remember. Over here the can was crushed, over here you fell down, okay. So till now we covered 90 minutes, 30, 30, and again 30, okay. This is how you experience the time from your point of view. You walked all the way till here and then etc etc. Now what happens when someone else or as an audience we see this time zone, okay, what happens, how we will see is at 10 o'clock this guy is walking, okay, this guy is walking. At 10:10 this guy falls down, okay. Let's say for example it's a very far, so this guy is not able to see the face. by this time you should come to know that both are the same. Okay, these are the same versions. So you see that someone fell down at here 10:10. Okay, you go all the time till here. Now let me bring this also. Why I did not bring earlier? Because it was a bit confusing. Now the moment you see that this guy is walking, this guy will also see this guy going backward, because at 10 o'clock he was here, at 10:05 he was here, at 10:20 he was here. So 10, 10, 10, 20, this will move forward, this will move backward. So this guy will see that there is a can in his hand, but it is crushed and he is moving backward. Let's say he is not able to see the face. Okay, he is not able to recognize that it is his version also. We have three version of his. Please remember, there are three version. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Within this timeline there will be three version of one person. So he's seeing this person with can crushed. At 10:20 he will see that the can has become proper, because entropy is inverted. Okay, he's moving backward and the can becomes inverted. And then at 10:30, okay, this is interesting. At 10:30 this guy will disappear in a machine, this guy will also disappear in a machine, and the inverted one will walk through. So please remember, before 10 there was only one version, this one. After 10:30 there will be only one version, this one. And between these two time there are three versions, 1, 2 and 3, and that's why we see a confusing scenes. Now let's see the beauty of this concept. As I said that at 10:10 he sees that this person fell down. Okay, now if you see, this is actually a very much future lie, right? This is like, from his perspective, the way I started in a linear fashion, it happened after 20 plus 30 plus 10 minutes after this event had happened. That is 30 plus 20, 50, and then 10, 60 minutes after this event had happened. But he's seeing at the same time. Okay, also, when did the can become crushed? After 30 and 10, 40 minutes. But when will he see that can has become reversed or from uncrushed to proper one? After 20 minutes only. So essentially this guy is watching the future, and that is why in the Tenet movie there were cases where, by referring the future, there were people who were able to trace back their past, because they are viewing the events which are going to happen in future in the present tense only. So this is a paradox, actually speaking. The more you dwell in it, the more you will feel that how it has been portrayed. So I hope with this example it is helpful for you to understand. I will try to bring a few more videos on Tenet with different concepts which are used in the movie. Thank you very much.